Right.
We use salt,
There you go,
pepper,
restart.
cumin, and paprika. This is cool. This is a little spicy for kids. You don't
What's
need
that?
salt,
What's this?
pepper, cumin, and paprika. First, you kind of marinate a little bit the chicken and the meat, right?
Okay.
So the reason why I do the chicken,
Salt, pepper?
the reason why I do the chicken first is because chicken is good when it's a little bit fried. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fry it very, very quick in both sides and take it out.
All right.
You don't have to do it, but it's just when it's a little fried, then it's good. It tastes better than you do it when it's not.
Perfect.
Lots of meat.
This is like a chicken breast, chicken
No, yeah, it's like a
thigh.
chicken thigh.
Okay, thigh.
Okay, this you don't have to unless you like chicken. Okay.
They do.
So you don't have to fry it if you want to do it easy. The first thing you do is you put onions, and I'm gonna show you. This I'm doing it because this is the way I like when they
This
come
is
out
really
with
not the
rice
main dish.
bowl.
This preparatory work right now. The stages of the main dish did not start yet. All she's doing is preparing the chicken by doing what? Sauteing it a little bit, locking in the juices.
All right.
So because there's gonna be a little
Oh, that's why the onions must be very hot.
hot, very hot.
It's gonna stick.
So the crust, she's also getting a little bit of crust. Yeah, which is good. Alright. Okay, so this is the episode 1. Let's continue to episode 2.
So